Full week for NG, we can see higher highs, lower lows, and in fact the lows are precisely well aligned, indicates that the possibility that yes, the lows are done. But what can be expected next week? Is there any further drop which we can expect, or we can buy from here and expect it to rise? Which position you should take? What should be our strategy? We will decide with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of this analysis, I'll give you the trading levels and strategy. Do watch till the end and do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Missing on to subscribe, definitely missing on the profits. Yes, also press the bell icon, as I do share my daily update on NG very early in the day with the Isha session. The level shared will definitely help you become profitable. So do press the bell icon. Let's start. And now look at the weekly charts out there. On the weekly charts on NG, we can find out, we had told you that see, this is the bottom, and see multiple weeks ahead, many weeks ahead, I told you that we can see NG coming back till towards those levels at around 6.4, which may provide us support here. This is the bottom, but yes, is this the bottom done, and can we see a reversal, or we are going to look forward to another round of drop? We will see with the further details out there. Now look at the weekly charts. You can see here the body here is diminished, and probably once you see it trading above $7 levels next week, you can definitely expect a bullish move. At the same time, look at the closer out here. See, first lower lows perfectly well aligned, indicates that the bottom is done. That is my expectation. However, any drop below 6.4, you can expect it to drop more. Now you can buy here if you see it trading above 6.8 levels. You can initiate a long position in NG next week, and then you can it to rise, and this time the rise can be stronger enough. This time the bullishness can be stronger enough, which might take it till above 7.4, 7.6 levels. The candle, whichever direction it comes, can be a stronger candle. Even if it tries to drop, this is going to be a stronger red candle, and hence the levels here, see this zone at 6.6, if you see it trading below 6.6, certainly you can take a short position there, and then you can expect 6.4, and below that we may see a further sharper drop, which might take it till towards $6 levels and below levels. Very much possible. Hence you have to take caution of two levels, 6.6 and 6.8 levels. Beyond, rather I will say 6.85, you can say that we may see it above these levels, and then you can expect it to rise. So this is one observation. Now look, let's have a look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. Bottom, reversal, then a drop, and then it makes that yes, if it breaks past 7, certainly that is the level beyond which you can expect bullishness. But look at the candles here. See, rise, a pullback, and then a second red candle. Yes, if you see it trading below 6.6 next week, you can expect a third red candle on the very first day, taking it till towards 6.4 and below levels, and from there, if it drops, it is going to give you a very sharper drop, else achieving 6.4. Again, it may reverse from there, and then you can take a possible long entry from there also. But be cautious for 6.6 and 6.4 levels. Now on the upside, because this is two red candles and this is a possible retracement where you have seen higher lows. Yes, if you see it trading beyond the zone at 6.8, certainly you can initiate a buy position. Then you can expect 6.9, 2, and then 7. Beyond 7, it will call for a bullish run, and then you can expect 7.4, 7.6 levels. Now look at the daily charts here, lower lows, and yes, this is trying to trade in this channel. See, despite this odd one out, rest it is trying to trade in this channel itself since $10 levels, and since then this is the channel which it is respecting. Now the bottom of this channel is at $6. Any point of time for the month, yes, if you see NG trading below 6, it will call for a stronger drop, taking it till towards 5.6, 5.5 levels. I don't expect that it is going to drop. Why? Now see, till now we have seen lower lows, and see this time it has given you a higher lows, and then this reversal and happened, and then higher highs. So yes, there is all the probability that it has reversed from here, and then you may see it trading till towards 7.5 and 7.6 levels. In fact, beyond levels are also possible. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. Now see on the 4-hour charts, you can see the complete symmetrical move is done and it has come back to 6.7 levels from this where the breakout has happened. Sustaining below 6.7, you can see that there is still possibility for it to cover this still towards 6.4. That is one observation. Any reversal here from 6.7 certainly, and if it trades above 6.8, certainly you can expect that we may see $7 levels. So first thing is 6.66, next thing is 6.82. In between these $1.6, we should refrain from trading, we should remain cautious. Now also on the 4-hour charts, we can see here lower highs are seen and then this breakout has happened, so be alert for these levels. Now we have seen the weekly, daily and 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle. Now look at the monthly candle, and if you connect the dots from previous two candles, it appears the lows for the months can be at around 6 or 5.8 levels, which is definitely a very good support. And yes, if you connect the dots from here, it has a probability for it to achieve the $9 levels towards the end of the month. So whatever drop it is trying to look now can be reversed, and then it may resume the rally towards the end of the month or from mid of the month itself. So you have to be alert till the time it trades above the zone at 6, and in fact even if it tries to achieve a double bottom at 5.5, there is a possibility that it can reverse. At the same time, if you connect the dots here, you will find that the bottoming is done. 6.4 levels are achieved, and yes, now it can try to reverse, and hence any move above 6.8 next week, certainly you can remain long, and then you can expect that we may see 7.4, 7.5, and then in fact the next to next week 8, and we may see it coming back till towards $9 levels towards the end of the month. So trade with caution. So we have seen the charts. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators, whether the indicators speak the same language or they have something different to say. On the 4-hour chart, the resistance zone is here at 6.8 and 7. And if it breaks past this, you may expect 7.2. Flying above it, certainly more bullishness still towards 7.5 can be expected. Any drop below 6.66, yes, you can remain short, and further bearishness can be expected. See, it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. The highs are there at around 7.2. We have to be alert there. The directional movement is bullish and it is trying to cross over again for a sell position. The stochastic is oversold. With this drop, it has come back to the oversold zone. We can expect a bounce back from here. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It has possibility exists that it can converge and bounce back. RSI looking downwards, indicating more bearishness. Now look at the daily charts out there. On the daily charts, you will find this is the 50 period, this is the 100 period and 20 period moving average. Now see, there is a crossover between the 20 and 100 period moving average, and previously there is a crossover between the 50 and 100 moving average. You can find out now 20 period moving average is at the bottom, indicating that in near term it is traded bearish. Also look at the divergence, it is indicating bearishness, and till the time it converges, crosses over, you can expect that after that only bullishness can be seen here. Now for it to trade pass by, you may find 7.2 levels as a very strong resistance. Now if it trades past 7.2, certainly more bullishness can be expected. 7.6, 7.8 levels can be seen there, and beyond that it will try to fly. The directional movement divergent and bearish. The stochastic has seen a high, now trying to reverse and drop. The MACD has crossed over and it is trading moderately bullish here, and yes, probability of it to cross over again exists, but be careful, it is can again cross over for a sell entry. Right now it is in greener side. RSI is looking downwards here. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, you will find that if it tries to drop below 6.6, 6.4, you can certainly expect $6 as a support, and then 5.8 levels should be a very strong support, 5.8 and 5.6. On the upside, the resistance at 7.8 and 8 is very, very strong for it to trade pass by. Directional movement on NG so the directional movement on NG, you can see multiple weeks it has been trading in this green territory, and after weeks now it is trying to converge and cross over. If it crosses over and diverges, we can see extreme bearishness on NG. Else right now also it is trying to shy away from a crossover, and we can see it diverging on the bullish side again. As you can also see, the stochastic has seen a bottom and it is trying to converge for a bullish move ahead. Hence you can expect a little reversal. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is seen the highs, the probability of a conversion again exists, and then we may see bullish moves. RSI looking downwards, indicating bearishness. And if you look at the monthly charts now, on the monthly charts, the downside support at 5.55 and 5 levels are going to be strong. Below that, it may drop. The MACD, the directional movement trying to converge here, indicating that the bullishness or is diminishing and we may see a crossover. The stochastic is looking vertically downwards, indicating more bearishness. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell, possibly may call for a red candle. Be careful. And the RSI is trading flat. Considering this, now we have seen the charts and indicators. Now let me give you the trading levels and strategy for next. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. Yes, you can buy here at 6.8, and then rather let me give you a more comfortable entry, and yes, you can buy here at 6.76, and beyond that we can expect 6.82 as the next resistance. Only trading above 6.82, you can expect that it is trying to reverse and it is trying to trade bullish. And yes, before I give you further more strategy and the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying the trends, identifying the levels, supports and resistances, and the strategies to make profit, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch is starting on 7th of November. Be a part of this. Is a 15-day session, 90 minutes live webinar sessions, and definitely the strategies taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. At the same time, you can be part of my signal group if you do not want to spend time on learning, and if you do not want to trade on your own, you can join my signals group where just trading as per the signals. Definitely you can profit, else just become a pattern and support the effort. All the links of Telegram ID is my Gmail ID, and my patron page site link is also mentioned in the channel and video description. Do reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. The bookings for the next batch is closing soon. Do not miss this opportunity to learn. Now, beyond 6.82, certainly we can expect 6.92 and $7 levels. If you see it trading above 7, you can expect more bullishness. I will directly expect it to land for 7.2 and then for 7.35, 7.4 levels. Trading above 7.4, you can expect 7.5 and then 7.65. Be careful, these are markets, anything is possible. Any move beyond 7 should be considered as a bullish indication. Beyond 7.2 should be a stronger bullish indication. So be careful, every $0.2, yes, there is a stronger resistance, and hence till 7.2 you have to be alert, as it can reverse any point of time till those levels. On the downside, you can sell here at 6.66 and then expect that we may see 6.6 as a support. Below that, 6.58 and 6.45. The next target is 6.4. If and if only if it breaks below 6.4, we may see a further sharper drop, taking it till towards 6.2 and $6 levels. The $6 levels are a good support. You can expect that it can try to reverse any point of time to those levels. If it drops below 6.4, it will call for a further stronger drop. Below 6, then sky is the limit. You can expect 5.7, 5.5 levels to get achieved, which should be precisely the bottom which we are looking out for. This zone can provide it a stronger support and it can bounce back from these levels. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, and at every milestone, keep shifting either your stop loss to that milestone or put a trailing stop loss such that your trade closes in that milestone if it tries to reverse. Else, just close the trade and re-enter if you see it, the trade in again going in your direction. Please adopt these hygiene principles and definitely you can profit. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week.